Alright guys, we are back with another video. Who's that? 1 second. Hello? What the? Since when did I order this? Since when did our doorbell works? Interesting. Too far. What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. How you guys doing? Hopefully everybody's doing great. I am feeling way better now. I just got those dry coughs like Corona? Is that you? Nah, seriously, I'm doing way better. Keep your vitamins up and you'll be fine. Enough of me talking about that. Today's video, I got another review for y'all, and this one's gonna help out a lot as well, especially in a time like this where everybody's quarantined and everybody's locked down, blah 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 blah. Boom, baby, right here. Yeah, this one's the home humidifier. On that side, I don't know if you guys can see it, I am using a air purifier over there. I use that at night. I got this one right here. This one's the humidifier. I really don't know what's the difference. Maybe the other one just purify the air like it says, and this one is just humidify to make it less hot and stuff. Duh. As you can see, I'm also editing over there as well while I'm rendering my videos, so I'm trying to go hard this year, okay? Like I said, man, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm trying to pump out more videos, alright? Let's open this up and let's see what's inside, alright? Every time I went to the store, I always came across one of these items. I will always be interested, you know what I mean? I always got curious, but I never bought it because I didn't know what's... Alright y'all, I'm gonna pause right there real quick. I forgot to open up this little piece in the video, and I also forgot to explain what it is. But that little red pouch that you see right there, that is actually a demineralization cartridge. So basically, if your water is too heavy or too strong or whatever, you use that and you put it into your tank. But before you do that, you want to put it into a separate cup of water or a little tank of water, have it soak for 10 minutes, then you put that into your humidifier tank, and that should stop the white dust from forming. That's only if you have the white dust. If you notice any white dust, then you use that little piece right there. That's all I gotta say. Sorry about that. Sorry I didn't open it on camera. I totally forgot. Well, back to the video. Hiya! Dude, but I did a lot of research. They also sell like other products that does 2-in-1, so an air purifier and a humidifier all in one. This one that I have right now is just a humidifier, and I also have a separate air purifier. Okay, so in the box you get this little thing right here. I guess it's the manual on the side. You get this thing right here. If you guys are curious, this does not have the little essential oil. This one, you don't even have to replace the filter. It's more convenient for me that way, so I don't have to keep going out and buying stuff. All right, so this is how it looks like. That's it in this thing. Dang, that's kind of heavy. Yeah, buddy. So this thing is pretty big.
That's what she said.
Let's open it, shall we here? Oh, be careful using one of these, okay? Make sure to have an adult with you if you're underage. What was I trying to say? I lost track of thought. Dang it. Oh, I remember now. I also looked up how to clean one of these, because that's one of the biggest issues. If you ever own like one of these, how to clean it properly. So all you gotta do is just put some white vinegar, water, swish around, and then leave it in there for like 30 minutes. And then afterwards, rinse it out, wipe it down, give it a good wipe. So it's not too bad. Alright, all tight. Dang, I'm so excited. This is how you know I'm getting old, bro. This is how you know I'm getting old, y'all. I'm getting excited for like health benefit stuff. Alright, so you get two pieces like this. You get this one where you fill this up with water and you put it into this thing right here, and it should blast out some mist. Keep your air moist, to keep it fresh, and also to keep you cool or warm depending on the weather. I don't know. I'm gonna go fill it up with water, but before I do that, I'm gonna rinse it out first, then I'm gonna fill it up with water, and then I'm gonna hook it all up and we're gonna try it. Alright, let's go for it. Boom! Alright y'all, I am back and I am in the kitchen. So this thing can hold 1 gallon of water, so that's what we're gonna do, fill it up, test it out. It's gonna get loud here because I'm in the kitchen and my parents are in here too, okay? Don't mind that. I'm gonna fill it like this and I'm gonna give it a good shake. Dang. It's like a soda can. It went psst. You pour out the remaining. Ugh, I'm looking like seltzer water for a second right there. I like to clean the outside too. Alright, after you're done with that, I don't know what water you're supposed to fill it up with, but I'm just filling it up with some tap water. Make sure it's not too hot, not too warm. Once you're done filling it up, I just fill it up like this. I'm not gonna fill it all the way up. Then you take that part, then you take this part, you take the lid, and just seal it up. Yeah. Alright, so it also says right here, not for use with essential oils. So don't do that. Dang it, I should have cleaned the other thing first. Leave that there. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Alright, now you take this. The wire is connected on this side right here. So when you pour out the remaining stuff, make sure you don't pour it this way. You want to pour it that way. Or was it this way? One of those. It's supposed to have like something to indicate that you should pour out from, but I don't know where is it at. Be careful with that. Let's give it a rinse, shall we? Now we take this thing right here and we're gonna connect it. This. Okay, got it. But that's how it should look like. Maybe I should pour in some more water, huh? I'm gonna pour in some more water. Ah, interesting. Much better. Let's plug it in and try it out. Alright y'all, I'm back in my room. Sorry about my desk, it's a little messy. Let's just get on with it, alright? I got the water in here, we cleaned it all up, I plugged it in. Let's mess with the buttons real quick, alright? So this thing right here is your on and off switch. We'll turn that on. Oh, and like instantly you can see the mist flying out of this thing already. I think the higher you turn it, the more it will come out. Yep. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's vaping. Tight. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's see what the button's for. I don't know what's gonna happen to her. Oh! The button's just a little light. So I guess you can see that at night. Oh, I rhymed. Dang, dude. But yeah, that's about it for this product. Let me try to give it a smell. That's... Let me do it again. I gotta get used to that. I'm not used to it. I really don't know what that smell is. Maybe it's brand new smell. I don't know. If you guys ever come across one, try it out for yourself, sniff it for yourself. I'm gonna just leave it on and then hopefully I will feel a difference up in my room or in my house. I'll probably just put it in my parents' room or, you know, the living room and just have some fresh air going around. You feel me? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If this video helped you guys out in any way, please smash that like button. Smash, smash. And if you guys want to see more of me and more of my content, please subscribe to your homie. Alright? Anyways, that's enough of my time. I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. So everybody be safe, keep it breezy, and now see ya in the future. Deuces! Be safe, y'all. Vaping!